Moving on, Israel's coronavirus numbers are thankfully continuing to improve. But is the improvement being exaggerated? Nittany Manson reports.
For the first time in weeks, Israel's serious COVID infection tally has fallen under 600. The health ministry reporting the contagion rate now falling down to below 3%, nearly half that from this time last week. With that in mind, the government overnight has decided to remove the red city label from all but one place, the Jerusalem town of Ramat Shlomo, now the only one still in full lockdown. Israel's COVID cabinet then announcing plans to meet today on further easing lockdown measures. New active infection numbers now dropping to 21,010, serious cases at 591, and the death toll rising by 7 to 2,278. But not everyone is convinced. Many experts in the country already warning of a third wave, with a senior health ministry official reportedly telling Hebrew media that they're expecting a significant rise in infection in the next 7 to 10 days, adding that given the level of violations we're seeing, there's no escaping it. Several officials are even questioning the supposedly improving infection rate itself. Infectious disease expert Ian Miskin telling the Times of Israel that we can't possibly know how bad it is, particularly in the ultra-Orthodox communities where the disease is most widespread, because people simply aren't being tested enough. The Haredim, on the other hand, feel as though they're being incited against, especially following a suspected arson attack, masses taking to the streets in protest. The Gur Hasidic sect, however, was the most notable protest, with hundreds from the community crowding the streets of Arad, all wearing masks, meticulously standing 2 meters apart, and in full coordination with Israel police. Religious party leader and Knesset member Yaakov Litzman, who is himself from the Gur Hasidic sect, later also adding that he wants police to look on and see how the ultra-Orthodox keep the law, in contrast to the anti-government protests ongoing in Jerusalem.